Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today we're gonna be doing something weird. I've done the weird stuff before, but we're gonna do it again. But I just wanted to show you the winter garden, because last week I did this, but I didn't really I filmed it before I removed the plastic and stuff, so yeah, this looks really good. It works perfectly, so I'm very happy with it. I haven't gotten any further. All the other windows are still on the trailer here. I need my good neighbor's help to carry them off. They are just too heavy. I also have all the old windows sitting here. I'm probably gonna chop that up and burn it or something. But what we're gonna be playing with is over here and on the ground. And it's all of these apples. They're not really any good for just eating, but they're very good for making apple cider, I think it's called. So I want to do that, and my mom gave me a machine a couple of years ago from just doing that. So I thought I'll play around with that, making apple cider today. So yeah, that's today's project. So getting on with it. So this big container has been used for something else. I think I've used it for building project, mixing concrete, I think when I did the pool. So I'm cleaning it. It's not gonna be food grade, but it's gonna be used anyway. Getting there. I'm on. I think on the 5th time of cleaning it like this, using some steel wool, and I do believe I almost got it now. Very good. So this is the thing for mushing up all the apples. I have cleaned it. I'm just washing it off. So I need to get rid of all the water now. So for the last very many weeks I have been picking up the apples from the lawn when I have been looking after the robot lawnmower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check all the apples. Some of them, this one the birds has been at, so I'm gonna cut out that bit. I'm just gonna cut half the apple out. I don't like this bit either, it looks bad, but I'm not gonna be that. And I'm just gonna wash it lightly. I'm gonna go through all of these apples and sort them out like this one. Not much left in that, but might cut out a bit. And then there's still a bit of apple left in there. Maybe. These are tiny apple, that's why I'm using them for apple cider instead of eating, because they're not great eating apples. So yeah, this is a long, tedious job. Most of them are fine. Some of them have just the tiniest little mark that I'm gonna check if it's totally rotten inside. Yeah, something has climbed in that way and gone all the way through. Yeah, I'm just gonna cancel that one. So yeah, I'm gonna continue, and we'll move on when I have enough apples to start the crunching job. While I'm sitting here doing the apples, I can hear the apples also just dropping from the tree over here. So I think at this, for a little bit, the apples was actually dropping faster than I was doing the apples in the basket here. So I'm getting behind. As I'm getting a little bit further down into the basket here, some of the apples aren't that great. They have been sitting for a few weeks by now. So yeah, there are some that's not gonna make it. Okay, this is taking way too long. So I need to crunch some of these. Just to do something else. Oh, come on. The handle broke on this machine when I got it. So. Back to apple cleaning. Okay, I'm almost done with that box of apples, but I must admit I have gotten a bit lazy now. Stuff like this, where half of the apple is eaten up by bugs. I don't wanna. I've cut a lot of it out. Here's another example, and yeah, it's. I have gotten a little bit lazy lately. Okay, last batch of what was in the box. Oh, I am getting tired, that's for sure. Okay, it's getting dark quickly here now. It's only me, so I'm gonna screw this a little bit to a pallet so that I can turn it easily by myself. This is the press that's gonna press all the juice out of the apples. And there goes the bit. Really? Got it. Good. I'm losing daylight here, so gotta try and hurry it up now. It took way too long to do all the apples. And all of this stuff hasn't been used for some time, so I'm gonna quickly clean it up a little bit. Doesn't look too bad, but it has been collecting some dust. And we have a piece of cloth for it. This thing which has a hole in the middle, so it goes down like that. And then all the apple stuff goes in there, but before that I need to put something to catch the juice. I think we might be able to use this again. Just wash that off. There? Yeah, that's gonna do just fine. Very fine. So all of this apple stuff turns brown in no time. So let's get it down there before it becomes too dark to do anything. It's cool. It can do a bit more, I'm sure. So, I'm not gonna be able to do too much today. Oh, I don't have too much, but yeah. Then we have these pieces of wood. Goes on top here. That, and then there's a couple of other pieces that goes like that. Just trying to clean everything off so that it looks the best that it can. There. I think it also might be starting to rain. So, yeah, wonderful. Okay, so now we can start pressing this. Yes, it's starting to rain. It's absolutely wonderful. Oops. Now we gotta press this down quite a bit. And when the juice starts coming out, I'm probably gonna do the other way because I need to put in the rest of it. Yeah, now the juice is coming. Great. Okay, we have a little bit of apples juice. We are ready for a bit more. I could have pressed this more together, I see. That was stupid, but yeah. It would have been nice if I could have had all of it in there. coming good. If you wonder why you're watching this is because it's green IT. Just so that you know it, I only just saw this now. Kind of weird. Okay, it's not gonna press itself. Okay, I managed to get the last little bit in. I am gonna get like 4 liters of juice maximum. This bottle over here is full, so I'm expecting another bottle here. Yeah, I might as well go get the next bottle. Okay, I'm almost not getting any more out of this. It's almost raining as much as I'm getting here, and it's very tough. So, yeah, if I better start cleaning up before I get wet, or too wet. More wet. I think I with all clarity can say that I should not give up my day job. I think this took me 5 hours, and the production is like almost 4 liters of apple juice cider thing. So yeah, a lot of work, and I might be able to do it faster next time, but next time I would have to go and collect all the apples that has been dropping off the tree while I've been doing this. They are all over the place. But I might be lucky that these are better apples, because the ones that drops off the tree first is usually the tree recognizing that something is growing and eating inside the apple, and it drops it. Yeah, now the wind is more likely to be the factor that is dropping apples. These might be a lot better. So, but I'm gonna collect them, because the little devil of a lawnmower, he doesn't like apples on the lawn. So if I want him to work, I need to remove them. Otherwise he'll get stuck. Very weird video, I know, but yeah, I had said to myself that I wanted to do apple cider this year, because I have all the equipment for it. I was expecting it to go a lot quicker than this, but yeah, it's done. I have the big bottle, the full one. I'm gonna put that in the freezer. I might have to take some of it out for it when it freezes, it expands. So I'm gonna take a little bit out of it, and then I'm gonna put it in the freezer, and the other one I'm gonna drink, because it goes bad really quickly. It gets really sour. It's you need to drink it now. It doesn't get any better than now. Mosquito, got one. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.